We is a professional enterprise focusing on floor research. Our business covers manufacturing and global exports, with over 10 years of industry experience, providing modular and functional flooring solutions. Products are widely used in automotive manufacturing and industry. It also serves the warehousing and logistics industry. We have multiple automated production lines and sufficient warehousing and supply capabilities. The whole process from raw materials to finished products. We use high-quality PP raw materials from world top 500 suppliers. It has excellent heat resistance and UV resistance. It is also corrosion resistant, wear resistant, and chemical resistant. Excellent fatigue resistance ensures long-term use. High precision processing, ensuring the product's service life. Maintain good dimensional stability for long-term use. The product is designed to be lightweight and high strength. Support OEM and ODM customization services. Customized mold size and brand logo are available. Products have been exported to more than 20 countries. Familiar with international certification standards such as CE and ISO. Deeply understand cross-border logistics and delivery requirements, ensuring on-time delivery and stable supply. From technical consultation to installation guidance, we provide a complete one-stop after-sales support. All products have passed CESC's, Rishwan, U1, BT, and other authoritative third-party testing and certification. The quality fully meets international market access standards, relying on many independent research and development technologies. Overcome the core technical pain points of industrial ground, load bearing and other core technical pain points, and strictly conduct material composition and strength testing, and car rolling experiments, and reliability. Durable and reliable. It is a reliable partner for foreign trade customers.